Hello, I'm Ross, I'm the designer of Smartibot. Thanks for watching this far. We've made these little 4x4s because we've started selling extra motors in the shop. They're the same as the motors that come with your Smartibot, and they include the little plastic piece to attach the motor to a cardboard wheel like on the Smartibot or like on the ones we've made on these 4x4s. So we thought, well, if you've got a Smartibot with 4 motors, what would you want it to be? And we thought a nice little 4x4 would be quite good. So we hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe, have a look in the shop, and thanks.